Incident management, this is a place where the automatic ticketing is having some issues. Data insights any error or not. Second thing is incident management REST services. It's the same pod, and this REST services is mainly used when we are clicking on open ticket. So if open ticket doesn't work, first step, developer tools. The second step, check the REST services log to figure it out if there's any errors in the logs. Third one is close tickets, the alarms or situation associated with it has to be closed in OA itself. We have a pod called Incident Management Polling Engine, and which periodically polls based on the configuration. And by default, it's 5 minutes. And check the ITSM polling logs. Notify filter plays a very critical role in terms of emails, ticketing, and webhooks. This is a place where the policy manager comes into picture, and the policy, if a policy is passed or not, it is always there in the policy manager page. Search, take your alarm ID, search in this log, and you will figure it out whether the policy is passed or not. Notify log is for when we are actually sending the notifications, just like emails and webhooks. And CA notify log, this is a place, DXI notify pod is a place which talks to the external world for emails and webhooks. This is a triggering point, but this is where DX notify is actually the responsibility of this pod or this box is to send a notification. ITSM channel onboarding not able to connect to our channels. So check your firewalls. Here you will see the list of, if you are not able to connect to the Snow instance of a client, check that it is being whitelisted or not. Another is check the permissions. These are two frequent issues which we always face, that okay, I'm not able to connect to Snow. Check this out. The F12 one, that I'm not able to create a ticket. Check when you're clicking on open ticket link, open the browser consoles and a network tab and check what is the response you're getting. Similarly, if any updates from Snow is not updated properly, in that case, the polling engines comes into picture. And these are the certain set of steps which has to be there for polling engines to be there. This is a channel index. This is the first step for automatic ticketing. For channels, if I'm searching for alarm ID and this is a situation alarm ID, if a channel is passed, if the channel is there, if this index is having your alarm ID and what are the channels associated with it. The easy thing, just figure it out by running the query. The second thing is incidents. So AO/ITO incidents is a place where we write all the data for a ticketing. It has a double ticket info. If for any reason the data is not there for that alarm ID, and in this case the alarm unique ID and the situation ID is this, and if it is not present, which means that the ticket is not. So what I just talked about is here. All these lines also talks the same, and incident index and the other things. The CMDB, we already knows that it is mainly for the host name, if a host name is correctly mentioned in the CMDB. And if this is not passed, then we go with the another approach that, okay, I don't get the data from the client CMDB, that which group, which assignment group it belongs to. Then we have another file which maps the situations IDs, which maps the services names to the groups. So and this ID and this file is based on cohort ID, the 16-digit cohort ID. Just upload it and it starts working for you.